Ingredients: stone ground whole wheat flour, dried cane sugar. Hi, I'm back for another food product review today for you. I got these Nature's Bakery fig bar, peach apricot. I never had the peach apricot before. I had the blueberry and the red raspberry before. Stone ground whole wheat, like I just read, has no fructose corn syrup, 0 gram trans fat, and dairy free. Non-GMO project verified. It's a twin pack, so there are 2 in here. A net weight 2 ounces. It's 57 grams, or 2 ounces is the same thing. naturesbakery.com. Let's see what it tastes like, and then I'll read you the or show you the nutrition facts and read you the ingredients. So let's do it. Nutrition facts: serving size 1 bar, 28 grams. That's right. Before I read you the weight of the 2 bars together. So 110 calories, calories from fat 20. Let me show you the nutrition facts some more, the rest of it. Can you see? Oh, I see. Best by 7/25/2018. I just got it today. Today is April 21st. That's gonna be good for quite a while. Couple months. There's one of them. Oh, I'm actually curious what it tastes like, if it tastes as good as the red raspberry bar, because I do prefer the red raspberry bar over the blueberry bar. And this one, like I said, it's peach apricot. You certainly taste the whole wheat flour and figs. It seems like less sweet than the blueberry and the raspberry. I don't really taste the apricot peach quite as much. Or the apricot, I think I taste now. They're good, but I prefer the red raspberry ones. I decided to show you the ingredients to let you read them, instead of me reading them, the rest of them, because I'm not that good at reading them. So, not all the time. Thank you for watching another food product review from me today. Till next time for another one. Bye. Thanks for watching, yeah.